So this Aiper Scuba N1, this is what we got. This is the unit. Comes with this beautiful card on top, charger and the hook to remove it out of the pool. Put that on your pool pole. And we have an extra set of brushes to brush the bottom of your pool and the walls of your pool. For when the ones on there wear out, you already have an extra set. And along we have this nice welcoming card. I'm going to call it a welcoming card. It's packaged real nice. You open it up and you get this beautiful brochure with numbers to call so you can get immediate attention. And this is the Aiper Scuba N1. Here's a manual. The manual looks really nice, really robust, and it's got everything you're going to need in there. So the N1, and it's got nice plastic wrap over all the pretty shiny stuff. We'll do a peel on that pretty soon. So those are the tracks. It's like a tank, and it's very nice looking, very premium build. I mean, look at all that piano black. It looks like inside of a new car. For something that's going to be under the pool, running around in the pool, it's a very beautiful unit. They must be proud of it. So those are the brushes that are going to be, they're available for replacement. And here is the filter under this cover. It has a fine mesh filter, very fine. And that's what I'm looking for. I don't have a lot of debris, but I have just dirt, plain old dirt that filters in through the pool cage and gets the pool dirty. So you open it up like that, hose it out, and get it ready to go. This looks like it's going to really be an enhancement for the pool. And there's your button. You're going to, I think there's 4 selections when that's lit up and ready to go. And it's looking nice. You got the water outlet there. So the suction comes in from the bottom, of course, picks up all the debris, and the outgoing water goes there. And here's the electrical plug on the back. It's coated, key coated that is, so it's got a flat spot, so you can only plug it in one way. So it's a hefty little unit, and I have the charger over here already. We're going to plug it in and see what happens. So we plugged it in, and I heard a beep, and the light came on. Right now, we got it charging, and we're waiting for it to charge up so we can put it to the test. Now that's the water coming out of there.
Mm-hmm.
There it goes. Or will it turn around? Well, it's climbing. It's going up the whole side of the wall.
You better go up there. Oh, wow. Amazing. A machine that climbs the water, the walls. Yes. Yeah. Oh, it's dropping. Like a monster truck.
Yeah,
That's pretty cool.
it is pretty cool. Part where the wall's curved. They even climb a curved wall. Wow.
Oh, that is cool.
Look at it scrubs the tiles. Scuba N3 has been running out here for 3 hours. The light is still above the 15% mark. This is going to be my first time taking it out of the pool. It's running real slow, so I think it's time. So let's see what it's like. I think the light just turned red, and they say to let the water out. Ooh. Pretty heavy. There we go. 2 seconds and it's off. Now I am totally satisfied with the job it did. There's no dust on the bottom of the floor, which is what its primary function was. It also climbed all the walls. It didn't go up on the shelf because these curved stairs over here were kept diverting it. Every time it got on the curve, it would spin off of the curve. But it did go up on the shelf over there and did some tile over there in the corner, but for the most part it was on the floor or up to the wall, up to the tile line. What's my first opinion? I think it's a beautiful machine and I like how it works. Something we need to look at is the screen. This machine was only picking up fine particles, but we need to see what this, look, we got dirt. Look, we have fine sand. That's what it's been picking up, is that fine sand. So let's see. Oh yeah, that's what we want. Let's look inside. Oh yeah.
Oh, wow.
That's why the pool is clean now. It even picked up hair. That's what it's for, guys. That's what this one is for my purposes. Not big debris, but the real fine stuff.
Wow.
Look at that. I like it. But something I didn't really give much credit to, talk about it in that video, was the bundle kit. Now I've just done some research with Best Buy, Home Depot, and when you buy the Aiper N1 from them, it only comes with 2 brushes. Now mine came with the extra 2 brushes, but it also came with extra particle filter. This is for really fine particles, this filter kit. And this is an extra filter box. Now, I looked online and I couldn't find any replacements for the unit, but according to AI, you have to email them and try to make arrangements because they sell the filter boxes, I guess, to stores. It was very reassuring that this came with the extra bundle. And like I said, I was just focused on the pool cleaner, but not the bundle. Is the second filter box. Oh, it's even got, they're very proud of their products. They don't even want to scratch the plastic. It's got the shrink wrap on there to keep it pretty. Now this fine mesh is very, very delicate stuff. So I imagine, I noticed even with high water pressure, you might not even want to use the high water pressure. Low water pressure rinse is the best. But in case you've got a hole in the one that you have, it would be nice to have a backup right here. And let's get a look at this box here. The more I think about this purchase, the the more I like it. Now, it was $60 off at Sam's Club, but I spent the extra on the warranty. Now, I never buy extra warranties. This comes with a 2-year warranty, but I added it so it's good till 3 years. So what comes in this box is a super micro filter. This one has a cloth mesh. I'm going to call it a mesh, but no, you can't see through it. So anything that makes it through this filter is going to have to be very, very small particles. So this drops into this basket here. On top of this, there is another mesh. You get an additional one. So in this box, you got the superfine mesh, and you have a replacement superfine mesh. I am 100% pleased. The Scuba N1 did the job great, and did it quickly. Do I think the N1 is worth it? I think it is worth it. I spent my money on it. This is not sponsored, this was not provided, and it is a success. It works great. Well, it did it.
You did it? Hold on.
No, it's not done, but the dust is off the bottom of the pool.
Yeah?
Normally I can stir up a cloud because of everything that settles
Uh-huh.
from week to week.
Yeah.
There's no cloud.